Thank you. Thank you. Respected
Sir, respected Dr. Verma sir and other present dignitaries, it is just a small gesture from Gail India Limited to help the community where we are doing our business. We would be very fortunate that we would be able to help the present hospital here in the future the best ever way we can. We will try our level best and we will also take up with our management so that the which can be done by Gail. We would be very pleased to do that. With these words, I really thank. You have given us opportunity to be part of the community welfare and service.
For helping us through these materials in a time like this where there is increased number of COVID patient getting treatment under Kherengbar CSC. Mostly it is home isolation patients, so sometimes we have to monitor them, their oxygen level, and also sufficient number of pulse oximeters are not available. So this will help in a great extent in the service to the people. So I really want to thank from our side, from the Kherengbar Hospital and the Ttaadc as a whole. Yeah, thank you. In the days to come also, like we can work together for the betterment of the people of this Ttaadc area through various schemes, as sir has already mentioned. So would like to see these things coming up in next times also. Thank you.
welcome OGM sir and other officials, and we are really thankful. Whatever you have offered us, it will be a great help for us to combat especially the disease which we are now suffering all over the world. So I expect even in future also we'll be getting few more items which we are requiring all the time, especially our this thing maybe not related with COVID, but to upgrade this hospital we require so many equipments.
Sure.
So
That equipment, yeah, we'd like to advise you, kindly, if you have those type of equipment, please do write to our management in Delhi.
yeah, sure.
So that because it is a high value items, so if Delhi approve, it will be better for us.
So we'll be discussing what are the
Sure.
items we can get from you, and myself and my colleagues will be discussing regarding that. And once again, I'm thankful to you all for supporting us with all the materials. Thank you.
Sini Gail India Limited ni sini GM sar tapi ni colleague rok pai sungno COVID-19 ni bagai bisa malik kini rok bak mani, especially tabung hejarawa jekna sini COVID patient manage kainan kangke, especially jara nogo tongnai rok borong bagai sung pulse oximeter rok nango, tai mask rok, tai gloves rok nango hospital bagai. Awan bagai borok sungno mahke paiman bagai belai no sung tongtogo tai sung khak tayo. Oh je mani pulse oximeter sini area jara COVID mandak tongnai am hebar rok ni bagai samungo nango hospital ni bagai bawa samungo nango. Tai awan bagai borok no kainai sal rok sung tebo mahke samas ni bagai sam klainan bagai koyo. Tai borok no belai no hamai maro mahke Go step naman bagi hamai. Borok tinur phaika sungno 200 piece in pulse oximeter, oxygen level laijak nai. Take a session 200 piece mask, take a 200 piece gloves or
Of this CHC center. While getting done through our lots of many employees as well as our drivers vaccination in the initial stage, we must thankful to the entire team of this hospital who has come forward to our survival, and that is the reason we would like to connect with you. So under the CSR scheme, Gail does many CSR scheme in Tripura. In the last year, means this current finance year, till date, we have invested around 1.5 crore approximate CSR works in the state, and it ranges the distribution of computers and printers in the schools, as well as distribution of physically able people's equipment in their study material, and also the community toilet and the RO water plant for the schools. 10 schools at the cost of around 50 lakhs in the Dholai district and North district we have done. So this is the great opportunity for our organization. Our organization believes wherever we work and we generate our revenues, we must upgrade and connect with those people in and around, so that they will come forward to our help for running our business. That is the motive reason behind. So today we are coming here to hand over a few items that under guidance of our the corporate CSR, we could manage for handing over 200 of pulse oximeter for this community health center, and 200 masks, and also 200 hand gloves. So in the future we will be considering your further requirement. If any chance, we'll certainly come forward to you this thing, because for the benefit of the people in and around Ttaadc. So with this word, I would like to hear more from our PO regarding this. So thank you very much once again, Dr. Rati and Pratula and other hospital authorities and